Hello, Stamping Up demonstrators. Today I'm going to show you how to tag your videos and make them shoppable. So the first thing you need to do is to go to www.wirewax.com. There you'll see at the top menu on the very right hand side it says sign up. You need to sign up, which is simply your name, email address and a password in order to actually use the software. Once you've signed up, come back to this page again and log in. Now I've used this page quite a few times, so it's bound to log me in automatically, I should think. It'll then take you to its studio page, which yours will be blank because I've uploaded videos. That's why mine looks like this. But what you need is this cloud and arrow on the left-hand side. And what you need to do is click on that. This is the upload button. Upload button. And what you can do here is upload your videos from YouTube. So if you cut and paste your videos and then just paste them in here, click on upload, and as you can see, it'll start uploading to the Wirewax Studio. It takes a few moments. So what I've done is I've already uploaded a video. Here's one I prepared earlier that we're going to work on. So once your video is uploaded, simply click on it and actually go to the circle here that says add tags. Click on that. And then now you can see your video that you've made is here. There's lots of little editing things down here, and then there's a menu on the right hand side. And if you click on the video, it will start playing. Now I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to start talking. So I'm going to forward it a little bit and then we'll start tagging the actual video so you can see how it works.
Hi, it's Joy from the Paper Bead Bar. Hope
Right,
you're all well.
This,
and today on
your
videos. So for instance, you've done your tutorial and you probably say something like, there's a link below this video. If you click on that link, it'll take you to my blog, and from my blog, you can buy my products. But what you can do instead is say, thank you for watching. If you'd like to buy any products, these are...
Right, then you click on the video where you basically want to put your first tag. And like I said before, what I would suggest is that you do the tutorial, and once you finish the product, then you highlight the products that you want them to buy. Otherwise, it'll be a bit distracting if it's in the middle of you actually making the video, but it's up to you. So I'm imagining I've finished a project, and here I am now trying to sell the products that I'm using. So this plus sign here says new tag. Click on that. And this is just a pop-up telling you that there's two options, different types of tags that you can use. We're going to use a static one. It's the easier one, which is just the pin sign. So click on that. And then you basically, this cross here, you click on it, hold it down, and then draw a little box. And then release. And that's a tag. Then over here on the right hand side, it's basically asking you to label the tag. So I would just write something like buy now or click to buy. Basically, you want to give people a call to action. What do you want them to do? Click to buy. Then down here, you've got two screenshots here. The first one is where you've actually stopped the video and you've added the tag. The second one is to tell it how long do you want that tag to show up for. So it started at 36 seconds. So I'm simply going to move the tag along and see when I put the pens down there. Oh, too far. Let's go back a bit. And then if we stop it about there. Stop. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So we're going to start at 36 seconds, and then I want the tag to show up until 43 seconds. And if you scroll down a bit further, then it's asking you about tag interaction behavior. We don't want an overlay, so click on the down menu, and you can see you can put click out. And click out basically does what it says. It will click out from this video to another video. Now what I've done is I've actually got all my URLs here where I want the video to click out to. And the first one is markers. So I'm going to highlight that, copy it, go back to my website and just cut and paste it into there. It's got open a new window, great. And as you can see, in order for it to go to your store, you do need to add on this little bit at the end of the link to the actual product. So I've added on and DBWS DEMOID equals and then my ID number. So you would put your ID number here, and that has to go on the end of the link. Otherwise, it would just go to the Stampin' Up generic website, but you want it to go to your page. Click Save Settings. Come down a bit further, and here you've got different tag options. You've got the pulse, which will just be a circle, or you can have the plus sign that indicates something to press, but I want the default tag because it means when I write click to buy, that will actually show up, and it doesn't show up on the other ones. So click Save Settings, and there you have it. The first tag, click to buy. So if we click on the video again, and then I'll stop it again at the next tag.
The marker pens that I used for this project. And I used the Affectionately Yours.
Right, I want to do another tag here for the DSP. So click on the plus, pin, hold down the left-hand side and draw a square, release it, tag label. Now, if we type click to buy, it'll recognize that as a previous one. It'll put the previous link in automatically, but we want our own link. So I'm going to put click to buy, and then I'm going to put DSP. Again, then we need to go down and decide we've come in at 45 seconds. Where do we want to come out? Let's click on this and go forward a bit. Papers down. Ooh, let's go back a bit. There we go. Again, I don't want an overlay. I want to click out. So I click on that. And it comes out here. Now I need to get my DSP. So have all these ready to go. That's what I would say. This is what I've done here. This is for the Affectionately Yours. Cut and paste that. Not cut and paste, copy and paste. Back into there. Paste it into there. Open a new window. Great. Save settings. Default tag. Yeah, that's all good. Save settings. And hopefully, let's go back a bit and see if that worked.
And I used the Affectionately Yours DSP paper.
Success.
And I also used the Love You.
Right, we're going to do one more here, and then we'll have a preview of the video to see, just to make sure everything's working okay. So once again, I've just clicked on the video and it's stopped, exactly like you would on YouTube. Click on the plus sign, use the pin. I'm going to put a square there. It's going to open up on the right hand side. I'm going to put click to buy, and I'm going to put stamps. Just differentiate it. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to see how far. Right, my hands kind of gone away from there now. Right, let's stop it. That's about right. I don't want overlay, I want click out. And then I'm going to go down here, and this is a stamp set, love you lots. So I'm just going to copy this link. Again, with my particular details on it at the end, my ID number. Oh, don't use my ID number, people. And that goes there. Open a new window, save settings. And I think that's right, tag, yeah, save settings. So if we were to take this back now to here, say, press play.
These are the marker pens that I used for this project. And I used the Affectionately Yours DSP paper. And I also use the Love You Lots stamp set. And as you can see, little links have come up as I've talked about specific.
And that's basically how you add tags to the video. So what you would do then, once you've finished adding your tags, you would then preview video, and it would show you actually what the video looks like outside of the Wireworks Studio. Click on it to start.
Hi, it's Joy from the Paper Bead.
And it'll just go through the video, and you can just check. And what I always do is when the tags come up, I click on them to make sure that it actually goes through to where I want it to go. So we'll wait until she's finished this a little bit. I think it's coming up now. I'm going to click on the marker pens just to make sure that it actually goes to where, and I would make sure you click on all the tags before you actually upload the videos. Nope, still not ready yet. Get on with it, girl. Okay, so there we go. Click to buy. I'm clicking. Takes me, yes, success. And as you can see, it goes to Joy Montgomery, my page, because I've added my ID at the end of it. And then the video is paused so they can go back to it. And that's why I said it's probably best to do it at the end of your tutorial. But keep in mind, you've only got 10 minutes. I can help you make longer videos, but there will be additional costs for that, because as you can see, they charge more for any videos over 10 minutes, but happy to help with that. And that's basically it. If you decide that you want to do something else, you can always click on the link that you've done, the tag that you've done, and you can edit it here on the right hand side. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've done all this and your video is ready to go, you can actually share your video using, if you go back to videos, then make sure you saved it first, and then you'll see down here you've got the little share sign. So you can either share, or you can put this into your blog. So you could copy that, add it to your blog. You can even copy here this file that can go in the HTML part of your blog. And you can share this on Twitter and on Facebook, via email, on Google+. So pretty much everywhere. And I think it's a great way to kind of get people used to shopping directly from your videos. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please email me at joy@paperbeadbar.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.